All right, this is Donkey Kong Jr. Math for the NES, starting now. So the main modes, I'll just play through them just so we can see them. But you're supposed to get to 96, for example, before your opponent does. I don't know if that was the best way to do this so well. And, I've actually done this with someone before. Someone who was probably, I think, better than math than me. Wow, it sells for over 200 because of how rare it is. That's right, I beat the pink Donkey Kong Jr. That's how good I am at this game. So obviously the main mode is gonna be, Wait, I'm trying to think of a better way to do this. So if I do like 48 plus 40, or times 2. So how do I get to 48 easily? 48 would be, I feel like this is still the same amount of calculations in the end. 7 times 7 is 49. I guess I could do this. And then minus. Where's a 1? Yeah, that's pretty easy. Minus 1 times 2. What's hard in the 2-player mode, though, is there's like only one multiplication, so sometimes it feels like whoever just spawns closer. Oh, is that a faster way of doing it? 4 times 3 times 8. You are a math nut. I could not. If I played this game against you, it would be suffering. So G&B Studios, you probably didn't know this, but Suzy actually also has a YouTube channel, but it's like extremely advanced mathematics, essentially. So I would not stand a snowball's chance in hell beating him in that. Or beating him in this. There's a reason your job is teaching math, yeah. Alright. I didn't mean to grab this 4. Can you discard it? Dang it. Oh, here we go. I got the genius plan. I'm stuck with a 0. I did not realize that was how this worked. I'm doing this the smartest way possible now, if you didn't know. What I'm trying to do is 9 times 7 minus 1. This is kind of dumb to show off these modes, because there's no one to actually play with, but it is kind of one of the core parts of the game, so I think I'd just like to show it off. I like my 9s too much, I think. That's how my brain works, because I know my 9 multiplications really well. As I messed up, I meant to say 7, not 6. Yeah, game mode B is more rough because it's massive numbers. And I'm not, this is gonna show my poor math abilities. But I guess I'll show it off. It's gonna be embarrassing though. Matt's not your thinking mode writer. Cool. Oh! So like I could times this by 9 already and have 900, but that's probably not good. What's probably better is to like, you know, minus a couple 9s first. At least it's better. And actually, what would be even better to add to this? If I add another 9, that's 27, which is a little too high. Let's add like a 7. I don't know. I'm just guessing at this point. Okay, now we'll multiply it by 9. I still, like, I have a Bachelor of Science, or of Computers. My brain did not function properly. Of course, I was multiplying a big number by 9. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you realized. What's the way out of this? There's like no way out of this other than dividing maybe to get, you know what? I should do that instead. Let's get out of here with the division. Back by... Yeah. That's what I'm realizing. So divide by 9, multiply it by 8 instead. I way overestimated how much that would add to my score. Or underestimated. So I have a computer science degree, but... So I had to, like, do some math in school, but, it was not... It's not my thing either, honestly. It's probably why I like programming in easy languages. Where are all my big numbers? Come on. Whatever. Finally done. That took me a million years. I can do better than that, though. All right, so if I multiply this by... What is it? 15 to 80? That's... 2 is 30, so that means 4 is 60. Guess I'll multiply it by 5. I maybe should have added to it first. Yeah, because see, this still takes forever. I really should... I need to get the number... I need to know what I want to multiply first. Yeah, I see what I'm doing wrong. You really want your multiply to take you within 9, and if you're not getting your multiply to take you within 9, you're in a bad spot. Yeah, add 7 first, that's what you're saying. That's what I gotta get better at. Because if you just do your multiplication first, you're often gonna end up way too far off, like I am right now. And then you can't do anything but divide down and try again. Which, honestly, might still be faster than what I just did. What would be really hard is they may each have to start with a division. Minus... If I times it by 4... I want to do, like, 3 first. So if I minus 3, I should be good. Minus 3... Multiply by 4. I should be really close. Yeah. And minus 2. I actually did decent that one. Feel like I actually did something at least close to the fastest way. Maybe there is a way you could have done that one less. Okay, so if I multiply it by 4 here... Actually, if I multiply by 5, I'm only 25 over. So what? If I just add 5, that makes me good? So if I add 5... Then multiply by 5... Isn't that just it? Woo! You just gotta figure out how off you are. This is the same thing again. So if I multiply by 4... No, not 4. 6, I'll be at 300. So I want to get rid of 4. So I want to minus... No, add 4. I'm starting to see how you can sort of think of this relatively quickly. Then multiply by 6. This will just put me a few off. 1 off. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of it. You basically think, what's going to bring me closest? How much away am I by that? Divide that by whatever you're going to multiply, and then that's what you... Something like that. All right. The exercises. So I want to see... I've done this before, believe it or not, but I think this top is easiest. I want to try to get perfect scores on all of these, but I can't remember how you do... Okay, wait. So far left is 6. No, wait. I forgot how this works already. What? Oh, I go here. I go up to 6. And then I go to 5. That's how this works. Is the question mark the I give up block? Isn't that what that was? Okay, we got a 0. Carried over 1, so that's 2 and a 1. I messed up. That's not a... No, it's a 2. Darn it. So if I want a perfect score, I gotta reset. Man, I'm stupid already. I could punch it on a calculator. Do I want to get perfect scores in all these? I don't know. Does it show anything if you get a perfect score? Maybe that's too tedious. Too time consuming. If I get one wrong, I'm gonna play it out. It's so hard to, like, think about this because you gotta think about, like, where you're crawling around, you know? It's just kind of weird. If I had a pencil, maybe I should pull out a pencil and paper. That'd probably make it easier. Solve it on paper so I can actually show my 1 carrying over and stuff. Just so I don't slip up. If I start messing up too much, I'll do that. Do. I'm trying to think. I guess Nintendo like largely abandoned educational games after these sold so poorly, didn't they? So it tells you your top score. I don't know what best is, or like how I should consider this game beaten. 1, 4, 5, 1. Two, 6. Do. Obviously, I could try to get best scores in all these, and that would for sure be the best I could do, but... Boy, is that gonna be frustrating if I mess up at, you know, number 10. Is time considered in your score? This is an easy one. The way they do the controls of this are so kind of strange too. They're just obviously trying to fit something into the Donkey Kong Jr. engine. We do. 4, 1, 0, 1. All right, that's a perfect score. 990. Is that perfect, or it does time take into consideration? So what does this show up on the board after this? Is it just, that's it? Bro, can I even get out of this? I'm here again. Yeah, it just doesn't even show it. Man, what? Does anyone play this game as a speedrun? What do they do? Does anyone even dare do that? 3, 1, 3, 7. Remove that to be a 7, so it's 5. Boom. Is my mouth not synced? I don't know. I don't know why it wouldn't be. Unless my camera's behind or something. I don't know. Seems fine to me. I think? I don't know. 7, 6, 4. That'd be 6 left 4, so we can modify 1 and 2. This is 5 minus 1, 4, 14, another 5, 6, 4. Yeah, I've seen that. I actually, oh man, maybe I'll pause this. See if I can find something real quick. So I actually I have Rob, and it came with this really cool, like flyer thing that came with it. And it has all the genre names on there. Action series, robot series, adventure series. I remember what's Donkey Kong Jr. on this. Donkey Kong Jr. Math. The Education series, which there's only one of. Although I guess there was 2 in Japan. Yeah, it was the only with Education. I bet you in Japan they use the same terminology for the Popeye one. There's speedruns for A and B, but none for the exercises. Interesting. So they still speedrun the 2-player mode? That's funny. I guess I could see it. It still kind of works. 6, 4, 1. Two, 1, 4. Look at this one. 0, 0, 1. Oh, this one's a little bit harder. So we have 5. Took 1 from there, so that's a 10. So that's or 9. That's a 5, so that's a 4. These would be a lot easier if I just had paper. 3, 4, so that's 6. Taking 1, so that's 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. Left over, 7 minus 3. 4 is 3. They were gonna make a music one using the Donkey Kong engine. It was canceled. Bummer, I would have been well, I don't know. These games aren't obviously the best, or the most fun, because they're educational. But, I don't know, that would have been kind of interesting to see. 8. So that's what? 3, 13, 7, 5, 2, 3. Alright. I mean, for educational games, they're all right, but they're educational games. I did get a different score. I wonder if time is considered in it then. Oh, we're moving on to the 4 digits. I almost was doing minuses. So that's 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 4, 0, 1. I just went too high. Gosh darn it. That's the problem with using a physics engine for math, is you're more likely to do something slightly wrong. You know, I thought he was holding a big book, but it's a big sign. Did they give me this easy one? 7, 5, 1, 9. Honestly, I've been kind of nervous about this game because I'm gonna like expose how I'm gonna do something really stupid and expose my tiny brain. 7, 5, 7, 7. Well, so far these have been easy. Like, Suji's referencing a science final I had where I was stuck on a problem for so long because I'd written it down as 7 squared was 14 instead of 49. 7 took me so long, but I was dead set on not just guessing for that. So I eventually, because it was a multiple choice and I wasn't hitting the multiple choice, so I knew I was wrong somewhere, and I was dead set on figuring it out, and eventually I did. 1, 5, 11, 2, 5, 7. I'm so scared that one of these days I'm gonna plop down and go. Blah, 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 blah. 9, 0, 1, 2, 5, 3. Easy. I wonder if the optimal way to do this is actually left to right, because of the slight speed up. 6, 9, 5, 1, 0, 1. At least you don't have to wait for the hearts to slowly fall down to reveal the word. Yeah. Honestly, though, that one was probably a little more fun than this, just due to it being basically Hangman. 5, 1, 15, 16, 9, 9, 18, 3, 4, 7. Do, 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 do. 12, 14 plus 1, 15, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 9. Two, 1, 10 plus 1 is 11. Another 1 plus 1, 2, 8 is exactly 10. 16 plus 1 is, or 12 plus 1 is 13. We have 13. Bum ba dum bum 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 bum. They actually ended with a relatively easy one. 9, 8, 8, 1, 1. I like how you can kind of know when there's gonna, that far left number is just always a 1. Oh look, I got 990 again though. Huh. What did I get on the other one? Was it more or less? That screen holds a little too long. Alright. 4-digit subtractions. So I got a little worse. That's 3 left over, so that's 7. Take away from that 6, it's 5. Minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. Oh, he's holding the timer. Does it go down eventually? 2 minus 5 is 3. Left over 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. 6, 4. Oh, that's it. Oh, that scared me. I just realized because that take away that. Oh, he's holding my current score. I thought that was how many points I was gonna earn. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is an easy one. 5 minus 3 is 2. Do-do-do. Well, I've gotten perfect everything so far, so now I kind of want to get perfect on everything. 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2015. That wasn't too long ago. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. Giving me some easy ones. 4121. Did I get that? 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 4 minus 2 is 2. They're giving me easy ones now. I'll take it. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 5. Oh, I almost did something stupid there. I thought I had like the same thing. So I saw the 5 when I just placed a 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 15 minus 6 is 9. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 6 is 14 minus 6 is 8. Which makes that a 0, which makes that a 10, which makes this a 4, which makes that an 8 minus 3, which makes this a 5. Ooh, can I get max score? I'm actually close. Ooh, and this one's easy. Let's do it. 1, 2, 0, 3. Perfect score, baby, I think, right? Yeah, or max score. I did perfect on all of them so far, but that's the one where I was fast enough. That's great. It holds just like a bit too long. Okay, single digit multiplications. This should be pretty easy, actually. I wonder what 5 times 1 is, huh, guys? I'm tempted just to mess up on purpose to make it funny. This one is different than the last one. What's 1 times 5? Ooh. Five times. Wow, this one is incredibly easy. This is like literally the easiest one so far. Seven times 2 is 14. Really? Dun dun. So 5 times 1 isn't the same thing as 1 times 5, or whatever you're thinking about things. 8 times 8, suddenly you pull me a hard one. But really, we're talking about multiplying, not just numbers. We're talking about multiplying whatever you're doing in geometric algebra. 7 times 1. Yeah, I know kind of what you're talking about. Well, roughly. They're just giving me repeats. Not that I'm really complaining. Six times 8 is... This is a little harder for me. 3 times 8 is 24. Times 2 is 48. Oh, this is another one of my harder numbers. 14, 28, 56. I just keep timesing it by 2. That's how I've always done 7 times 8. I know some people just know them, like they've memorized all the basic single-digit multiplications, but there's a couple of the harder ones I still have to think for. And I still do the 5 minus 1, 4, 4 plus what equals 9, 5, 45. The trick for the 9s. All right. This next... Oh. 6-digit additions. These are just gonna get tedious. And I'm gonna mess up and I'm gonna cry. Ugh! It's so long. 2, 1, 1 carried over. 3, 9. 3. 10, 1 carried over. 10 again. 1 carried over. 13. I almost messed up. 14. Do. 12 plus 1, 1, 15, 16. 1, 6, 13. 1, 7. 5. I got like, that started off really hard and then it just got easy for the last few digits. The second half. I wish I had to walk all the way over to the far right every time. Like, couldn't they just have started you at the far right? 8. 14, 6, 9, 6, 5. Do. 9. 0. We have a 1 carried over, so that's 7, 9, 5. I'm starting to get worried. I feel like my brain's starting to go a little mush. That's where I'm gonna make some stupid mistake. I'm actually kind of surprised I haven't made one so far, to be honest. Other than right at the beginning. 3, 5, 12, 1, 5, 12 again. 1 carried over, 15, 16. 1 carried over, 14, 15. 15. 5, 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 carried over, that's 10. 1 carried over, that's 11. 1 carried over, that's 11 again. 1 carried over, that's 13. And 1. Yeah, honestly, I'm surprised I haven't... my brain hasn't messed up yet. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10. 1 carried over is 8. Simple 6, simple 5, simple 9. Although one of these days I know I'm going to mess up right at the end and rage. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 10. 1 carried over is 13. 1 carried over is 6. 5, 6. Six, 6, 12. 1 carried over is 14. 1 carried over is 7. 7. They answer a 17. Did I say that? Did I say they? Or you just be... Did you mess up or did I mess up? 1 plus 6 is... You messed up. What are you talking about? 7? Oh, you're making fun of me? Again? No, wait, no, you're not. I have no idea what you're even talking about. 6 plus 1 is 7. Don't mess me up now. I'm on the last one. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry over the 1. We now have another 13 and a 1. You were purposely being stupid, but then you were actually stupid? Uh-huh. So you're saying you were double stupid. All right. That is 6-digit math complete. Or addition. Now I think we have 6-digit subtraction. Great. Honestly, that last division one doesn't look like it's going to be too bad, because it always ends with single digits. It's only 2 digits divided by 1 digits. 5 minus 0 is, what do you know? 5. 7 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 11 minus 2 is 9. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 7 minus 6 is 1. How did they make this? I thought 8-bit was only went up to 256. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 11 minus 4 is 7. 11 minus 5. It's like the hardest one I've had so far. Is 6. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Six minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. 16 minus 9 is 7. 10 minus 5 is 5. 14 minus 6 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. The hardest thing is just having to, like, when you have to cross one out, or when you have to subtract one, but then added the 10 to it. 12 minus 7 is 5. 10 minus 2 is 8. 13 minus 4 is 9. Ooh, this one's really nasty. 14 minus 8. 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. Whew, glad I got that one. That one was actually tough. You're actually impressed? Is that your way? I can't tell if that's if you're insulting me or congratulating me. 16 minus 9 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 0 is 0. I mean 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. You're congratulating me. Okay. 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 14 minus 7 is another 7. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Mathematicians say arithmetic is the hardest branch of math. 15 minus 6 is 9. 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. I was like, it can't be this easy. But it was. 4, 4, 4. 12 minus 8 is, let's see, 6. 10 minus 6, which is 4. 16 minus 8 is 8. This one's hard. 11 minus 9 is 2, right? Hang on. 11 yeah, 2. Oh, it keeps going. 14 minus 8 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Finally. Whoo, that one was scary. Why'd they have to give me that one right near the end? 16 minus 7 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 8 minus 4 is 4. Whoo! That was probably one of the hardest ones right here, and I just did it, so nice. First try. I can't remember these complicated multiplication ones. Are they asking me to, like, don't they ask me to do, like, they go downwards on the multiplication? No, that's division. How does this work? Oh, can I even remember how to do my multi-digit multiplication? Hang on. It's been a while. So what you do... Oh, they are asking me to do this. That's right, okay. So first we do... Why did they start with such a hard one? 7 times 6, which is 42. Then do you add 4 to the final number? I don't remember. Why can't I remember how to do this? Is that 39? And 17? I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Luckily for me, this is the same number again. I feel like I forgot something on how to do this properly. Two, 11, 17. There's no way I got this right? I did! Okay, I do remember how to do... I, like, can't believe I couldn't remember how to do my multi-digit multiplications there for a second. 5. This is gonna be the hard one. This is where I'm gonna mess up. There's so many numbers I have to enter in. 5, 10. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 1, so 6. 25, so that's 2. 2, 4, 10, 5, 2, 10, 3, 1. Oh, I'm scared about this one. This one's gonna get me. Oh, thank goodness you start with 1. 4, 1, 8. 6 times 4 is 24, so that's 6 plus 2, which is 8. And 24, 48. Yeah. 48. So that is 4, 5, 16, 9, and 4. Yeah, there's kind of a big step up in difficulty. 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 4 plus 1 is 5. 30. 33. 13. This is definitely where I'm gonna mess up, if I'm gonna mess up, man. I'm getting worried. 2. 3. 8. 3, 1. Oh, it's scaring me. It's almost like I want to start writing stuff down. But I've done it all in my head so far, so I kind of want to see if I can keep it up. 8. 2. Well, sort of in my head. You write some of it down, obviously. 18. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then we have 63. Oh, these are going to be ugly to add even. 8, 10, 18, 5, and 6. Woo! Man, this one's... My brain's starting to get a little crispy. There's a little bit too much frying happening on up there. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 3 is 39. And then 3 times 6 is 18. No! Oh. Am I allowed to restart? Wait, is that gonna be bad? No, wait, that just lets me restart the timer. Okay, I mean, the time's gonna be bad, but whatever. 6, 39. Wait, this looks different than last time. Did I mess up before? 6 times 6. Wait, why is my brain frying all of a sudden? So because I messed up, I saved my bacon. I said this was 18, but it's 18 plus 3, which is 21. Right? $12 plus 1 is 13, plus 1 is 7. Oh man, I'm not gonna hardly get any points for this. Yo, if I mess up, do me a solid. Whew, so I did mess up. I just said 3 times 6 was 18, and I forgot to add the 3, didn't I? 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 3, which is 8. 6 times 5 is 30, plus another 3, it's 33. Oh, this stinks. 9 times 6 is 54, so this is a 4. 63 plus 5 is 68. 54 plus 6 is 60. Uh-oh, I'm scared about this one. 12, 1, 4. Oh, I'm still making it. This is getting scary. This is hurting my brain so bad. Oh my goodness. Oh, my brain is fried. Well, this one starts easy at least. 5, 3, 9, 35. 21 plus 3 is 24. 63 plus 2 is 65. So we have 5, 8, 13, 6, 6. Oh, I'm so close. Please don't mess up now. Come on, swoopsy bub, use your brain. Okay. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 7 is 14, which is 15. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. I want to double check that. 16, 14, 15, 12, 13. Okay, I think that's right. Oh, I'm making me easy for this. I'm not even on the right thing. 8, 7, 6. Add them together, you have... Oh, excuse me if you heard that. 6. 13. 11. And 8. One more, I could do this. If I mess up now, oh, it'll be worse than losing Mahjong. That's not true at all. 6. 24. 6 plus 2, which is 8. 6, 24. Okay. I'm like double checking my answers now because I'm scared. Oh, we have the same thing again. Okay, that's nice. 6, 4, 8. We now have 6, 0, 1. 9 plus 4 is 13. And 9. I did it! Oh, my brain actually is getting a little fried. Now we just have the divisions, and these honestly didn't look like they were going to be that bad. Two-digit to one-digit division, that's not hard. Surely they don't want me to do, like, complicated stuff here. Wait. Oh, we have remainders? Okay, this is a little harder than I thought. So we have 3 on the top, which gives us... They're almost doing a little bit too much. 20, 1, remainder, 5. Okay, so it's a little harder than I thought. 45 divided by 7. The closest we can get is 6, which is 2142. Remainder 3. Okay, so this is a little harder than I was giving it credit for. I still think that multiplication one was harder than this, but... What's up with all these 7 ones? Okay, this is 9. And that's 63, which is remainder 5. 85 divided by 7. Oh, like a multi. Oh! Let's see if I remember how to do this. Oh, no, wait. I think I remember how to do this. It's going to be 2, which makes for 6, which makes 4. They're bad. They're really hit-holding you. Or like what you write on everything. 1, 6, and then 5, which is 15. Remainder 1. So honestly, something like 85 divided by 7 isn't too bad because it's just you going. It's just a lot of steps. 1, which is 5, and 42, which is 8, which is 40. Remainder 2. I'll give you an easy one. 10, which is, or 2, which is 10, which is remainder 2. This is actually kind of close to one of the earlier ones I had. This is 9 again, which is 63. Remainder 1. Okay. We have 2, which is 6, minus 1, with the 7. We have another, this is kind of similar to what we had before. We have another one where it's 5, which is 15, which is remainder 2. Find it funny that how once you reach like the middle school, everyone forgets that remainders even exist. 1, which is 8. 1, 2, 1, 8, 4. This is definitely using the multiplication still. Ba-ba-ba-ba-dum-ba. I wanted one of these to end within a nice number, but I guess they wouldn't have it. All right. I think that is Donkey Kong Jr. Math complete. I did the 2-player modes by myself. Got the points I needed. And I finished all the exercises. So I think that is game complete. They come incredibly important to get in ring theory, really? Yeah, later on, all you see is decimals, which I guess is still a sort of a way of representing remainders, but at that point, you're just letting your calculator do it.